Divorce can feel so overwhelming. The stress about your family, your finances, your future, and on top of all that, worries about mounting legal costs. At Atticus Family Law, we understand. That's why we created precision divorce pricing, a smarter, fixed-fee alternative that can eliminate uncertainty, accelerate your case, and enhance your peace of mind. Let's be honest, the hourly billing that most law firms depend on helps them more than clients, who know every phone call and every email can mean a bigger bill at the end. Precision divorce pricing, only available from Atticus Family Law, offers predictability, clarity, and the confidence that comes from knowing exactly what you will pay at the end. PDP is not an off-the-shelf pricing menu or some discount gimmick like those cut-rate high-volume firms. It's a personalized, fixed-fee approach tailored specifically to your unique situation, your family, your assets, and your goals. It means you understand from the start that we're not here to drag things out like some other firms. We're here to get it done right, the first time, quickly and efficiently. With PDP, you get a custom-built legal strategy precisely aligned with your personal goals. Clear, fixed fees established at the outset. Priority scheduling for faster, easier access to attorneys and strategy sessions. Complete transparency in every step of your case, from parenting time to asset division. Unlimited access to our client coach, who will help you take a breath, literally and figuratively, so you can relax more and plan more effectively for a brighter future. You also get our PDP satisfaction guarantee, which offers a full refund within 30 days if you're not satisfied. And just as important is what you won't see on your bill: hourly charges for attorney travel or support staff, fees for research, copies, or postage. Surprise expenses? None ever. We're not the cheapest. But let's face it, you don't want a cut-rate firm when your future's on the line. You want a firm that's been there many times and knows how to get the job done. At Atticus Family Law, you're not paying for time. You're investing directly in achieving the outcomes you want and need. We understand the importance of moving forward swiftly. We will be focused entirely on helping you resolve your case effectively and efficiently, without unnecessary delays. In addition to precision divorce pricing, Atticus Family Law offers multiple additional advantages over other Minnesota divorce firms. This includes the AFL proven process, which offers a streamlined approach, a real plan for your success, quick and open communication, and the peace of mind that comes when you come to realize we've got you every step of the way. And we stay with you. You'll get annual legal strategy sessions after your divorce to address future developments proactively, as well as complimentary child support calculation services to ensure continued clarity post-divorce. Precision divorce. Pricing means complete financial clarity so you can focus on what truly matters: your family, your peace of mind, and your future. If you're ready to step into your next chapter with confidence, knowing exactly what to expect financially, Atticus Family Law is here for you. Reach out today to discover how precision divorce pricing and Atticus Family Law can provide the clarity and strategic support you deserve.